Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change this photo style to become this chiaroscuro style. As you can see, on the left side will be the picture of the modern look or the normal look, by the way, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into, let's say, the 17th or 19th century, and it's kind of you are the inventor on that years or in that century. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. So don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the home page. And after that, you can start to click Try Nano Banana and upload the picture of yours when you are playing the instruments. For example, maybe the drum, kalimba, or maybe the harp, guitar, flutes, everything. You can put it over here. And after that, you can start to put your prompt into this section. And also you can add the detail into the prompt. Don't worry, because this is just the example. Transform this image into a classic, richly detailed portrait painting of a person playing the wooden piano, reminiscent of 17th or 18th century European art, enclosed in an ornate dark wooden frame. This one, and also his cheeks, another detail, have a natural flush, and also he is wearing the simple dark color historical attire, such as a dark button tunic over the lighter shirt, and also with visible curves. And also maintain the same face, look, and also the pose of the person following this attached photo. And another detail is about the background. The background is plain, very dark and indistinct wall, creating a deep sense of shadow and drawing all focus to the person and his instrument. And also the lighting would be soft, directional, and chiaroscuro-like, and also creating the subtle contrast that emphasize the texture of his clothing and also the expression on his face. So overall aesthetic should be warm, nostalgic, deeply artistic, conveying a moment of musical concentration. So you can start to click run, and kindly wait for the output, guys. Well guys, I will be honest with you, if you find it's hard to pronounce this chiaroscuro, so you can try to into this Google, and this will help you guys.
Chiaroscuro.
Chiaroscuro. This is how you pronounce it.
Chiaroscuro.
Chiaroscuro. That's it. So after using this prompt and wait for 25 seconds, so this will be the result, guys. So you can have the different look even though you use this same prompt, maybe about the lighting a little bit, or the ornament in this frame, or maybe the look, a little bit look of the person, but still beautiful in one theme. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.